Did you manage to get all of those icy blasters from the icy blaster event? Well, if you did, now is your time to craft them into one mega miner. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so if you all recall well, a few days ago I did a video regarding the Icy Blasters mega event, which obviously has now ended, and now is actually the time for you to be able to craft and merge all of those 9 Icy Blasters into one mega blaster. On my screen here you can see the Rollercoin home screen, and if we go to the store here we can go to the crafting offer section. In the crafting offer section you will see the Icy Blasters results, and you've got approximately 2 days as at the time of recording this video in order to be able to merge all of the 9 miners, if you manage to get them all, into the one Eclipse Energeon mega miner, which is going to give you 11.8 petahash per second and a 5.5% bonus. That is a significant amount of power. This crafting offer will take 1 day and 12 hours in order for you to be able to get that mega miner. Okay, so I've got all 9 of them. As you can see, the craft price is not going to cost you anything. All you have to do is click on craft and away you go. So I'm just going to click on craft there. 9 miners will be removed from the rack and then I will start to craft. Okay, so my power is going to go down because all those other miners, all the other 9 are going to be removed. Okay, so I'm technically removing around 3 petahash or so here in order to get that 11 plus petahash mega miner. Let's give that a second. Okay, craft successfully started. Now you can obviously speed up the time and get it sooner if you pay a certain amount of RLT. This amount of RLT will start going down as hours start going down. It's pretty much a day and a half until I will actually get the miner itself. Okay, so I have actually, if I refresh here, I'm at 2229. Actually, it just changed right now, 2229 position. I was at 21 something, okay, just a second ago. So obviously I've forfeited a bit of my power for a day and a half until this is crafted and I can get even more power than I had with those other 9, and even more bonus power as well. So I've also forfeited my bonus power. I believe I had 120% before. Now I've got 117. I'm going to get 5.5, so that's going to be around 122 or 123 if it's 5.5% bonus when I actually do get that miner. Now Rollercoin are buzzing with events at the moment, so be sure to check out all the events. Now another thing that I wanted to explain is that if you actually go to the crafting offer here and it tells you there's 1 day, 23 hours, 11 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video, but you actually see this when there's only 1 day remaining. It doesn't mean because there's only 1 day remaining and it's going to take 1 day and 12 hours to craft the miner that you're going to miss out on it. Okay, so it doesn't matter if the event does end, if the crafting offer does end, but you had already clicked the craft button so that you craft all those 9 into the one mega miner. It doesn't matter if up here it tells you like there's 5 minutes remaining, because if there's 5 minutes remaining and you click on craft, then you're still going to be given that opportunity to claim the miner from previous crafting offers, because I've already been through this recently as well with another crafting offer. So you'll be able to claim that just the same. So don't worry about this time up here, as long as you click that craft within the 1 day, 23 hours, 10 minutes that is showing here, or whatever time it's showing. Okay, if you don't actually click that craft, then you will lose out. But if you do click it, even if 5 minutes are remaining, then you'll still be able to get the miner, no matter if it's going to take a day and a half for you to be able to craft that miner. Now another thing I wanted to discuss is that the end of the season is drawing to a close at the moment. Okay, so it's very important for you to use up all your RST before the season ends. If we go to the season pass, we can see that there are currently 4 days and 17 hours remaining. After that ends, after that time expires, then all your RST will be wiped. If you haven't activated the gold pass here and you want to do that because maybe you're doing like me and you're going to see where you're going to get up to in the event, then it will be your last chance to do so before the 4 days and 17 hours in this case totally expire. So be sure to take care of these things if you're going to activate and get that gold pass so you can receive all these locked miners, which I will probably be doing just before the season ends. Then be sure to do that. That's going to cost you $99.95 to be able to do so. I'm not going to go for the autocomplete full one. I'm just going to get the 100 ILT one if it makes sense. Obviously, I'm going to add up all this power that you can see on the left hand side here, and I'm going to see if that actually does make sense, because for 100 RLT I might actually purchase one single miner with loads more power and more bonus power as well, but it's not necessarily going to be the case. So be sure to calculate these things properly before you actually decide to activate the pass to receive these rewards, as I will be doing. I think I'll probably be able to get up to level 18, or maybe I'll get level 17, but I won't quite make it to level 18 because I've just actually started level 17 now. So I'll probably get those 400 XP before the season ends, but I don't think I'll be just quite able to make it and get past level 18. So we'll see how it goes. Depends how many points, XP points I manage to get as well. But we'll see how that goes, and I'll calculate all the power that I will be getting from here before I actually take the plunge and get the gold. And I'm looking forward to the Roman Empire season. So up here you can go through all the events at the moment, all the news as well. There's a Roller Empire giveaway as well. It's going to be based on the Roman Empire, the next season 12, which will be coming next week. So I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.